In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi missing from settings in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going to go through the most common fixes first. So the first fix is to make sure Wi-Fi is enabled. So on your keyboard, click on your Windows key plus I, and then from there go to Network and Internet. And then to the right, we need to click into Advanced Network Settings. Now inside of that, select More Network Adapter Options, and then click into Network Adapters, or you might be like myself and it should be at the top here, Network Adapters. So if it says disable your Wi-Fi, that means it's already enabled. So if you click on disable, that's going to disable it. So that setting is correct. Now the next fix we can try is checking airplane mode is on. So press on your Windows key plus A. And now it's on my other screen here, so I'm not sure. But yeah, a little pop-up should appear. And make sure your airplane mode is not turned on. Now next fix is to reinstall or update your Wi-Fi drivers. So click on Windows key and X again. And then we want to click onto Device Manager, or we can just type in Device Manager. It's probably quicker actually. Click on Device Manager. Now I'm going to drag this across. Now I want to expand network adapters. So look for network adapters. Here it is here. And now we want to go ahead and update your Wi-Fi adapter. So I'm going to go ahead and click on update here. Search your drivers automatically. Now if you've got the best drivers, it's going to say here the best drivers for your device already installed. But if not, it's going to prompt you to go ahead and update. Now the next fix is to run a Windows Network troubleshooter. So we need to go ahead and click into there, click in the settings, and then click onto System. Now from here on the right hand side, click onto Troubleshoot, click onto Other Troubleshooters, and then Run Network Adapter or Network and Internet. So go ahead and click on Run, either one of those two depending your setup on your PC. So you're going to get a pop-up that looks like this. Now if you are connected and you've got no issues, it's going to say something similar like that. If there are issues, it's going to say Run Test or click Continue to repair it.